we go.
Hey guys, Eric here for another quick Carolina Autos video. And I just wanted to talk a little bit today about the state of the car enthusiast community or scene or whatever word you want to use for it. First off, sorry I look like a mess. I'm driving back from the beach in the Supra, obviously. But the hotel I was staying at shut the water off the morning before I took off. So I was not able to take a shower before I left. So hoodie and hat and scruffy beard and everything it is. But you know, now that you guys know that I'm moving to Vegas, sorry, people just don't know how to drive on the highway. Just want to like sit right next to you. So, you know, now that you guys know that I'm moving to Vegas and everything, I feel like it's time to like stop and have a chat about, you know, the whole channel and where I've been for the last couple years and where I'm heading and everything like that, you know. So I've been getting a couple of comments, and I've seen these comments consistently, and this is why I wanted to talk about the toxicity of the car community right now. And I know what it is. It's Instagram, it's all these big YouTube channels, you know, these influencers. Like, guys, don't buy into all this crap. Just stop. You know, yes, I traded a Camaro SS1LE for a 4-cylinder turbo Supra because guess what? That's what I wanted to do. This is the car that I wanted to buy as my daily driver. It's an automatic. It doesn't have a crazy amount of power. It looks awesome. It gets attention. It's perfect for what I bought it for. And I got the same kind of hate and all, and if I'm honest, I actually let it impact me a little bit. You know, the only reason I probably ever bought that SS Camaro was because everybody was giving me shit about buying a V6 Camaro. You know, and it's like, just stop. You know, buy the car that you can afford and are happy with. And screw everybody else, honestly, and screw everybody else's opinion. And if you guys are out here spewing your venom about who bought what car, we're all guys here. Why are guys acting like females to other men? Stop. If you want to spend your entire budget on a car, cool, man. Like, if you make $3,000 a month and you want to spend $2,500 of it on a car and a payment, cool. Good for you. That works for your life. It doesn't work for everybody's life. I make over 200 grand a year. I can afford whatever I want. Within reason. I can't buy a SF90 or a Koenigsegg, but I could buy a nice 911 if I really wanted to do it. You know, so like, let's just cut all this crap out. If you guys see people commenting on stuff and, you know, they're small engine shaming or whatever you want to call this mess, let's just all team up and stop this. You know, like, we all share a hobby together, and we should all enjoy this hobby together. Sorry, I'm making sure this dump truck doesn't... Yeah. He's got to get around me and get right in front of me. And you can hear all the crap hitting the windshield. Well, this is why I PPF'd the front of the car. So anyway, you know, like, not trying to be preachy or go on a rant here, but you know, it just irks me, the car community. Like I said, we're all men here. Most of us are men. There's some women involved, but we should be supporting each other. We share this hobby. We probably all have different hobbies. You know, I don't want to spend my entire income on my car. I spend my income on travel and rollerblading and taking care of my body and all this other kind of stuff that I want to do. So, you know, let's just take it easy with each other. Why not? If you don't have something nice to say, don't say it at all. It's just my 2 cents, and you guys can listen to this or you can not. Frankly, I don't care. I'm going to live my life the way I want to either way. But it just seems really toxic to me that we would shame each other about the thing that we're all interested in together in the first place. So, yeah, I want to drive my 4-cylinder turbo Supra and really don't care what anybody has to say about it or thinks about it. I'm going to keep making content with it until I buy something else to keep making content with. You know? So, you know, as with all this being said, you know, I do want to kind of take this channel in a different direction. You know, I really enjoy reviewing cars. I don't enjoy modifying them a ton. You know, I make the exhaust sound nice, and I make the intake sound good or whatever. But you know, I'm not out here trying to push the piston rods to their absolute maximum limit. You know, that's not what I'm into. I'm not saying I couldn't be if that's the kind of cars that I bought, but it's just not where I'm at in life. I've got other things to focus on, mainly figuring out who the hell I am out in Las Vegas. But as we transition out there, you know, and I kind of free up some time, you know, get away from drinking as much and clean my life up a little bit, you know, you guys let me know what kind of content you want to see. I was thinking maybe I could Turo a different car, you know, maybe once a month, just let you guys pick a car. And, you know, like I said, I make enough money, I can rent a car. If you guys want to see a review on it, or let me take it to some road and do a road review, or if you guys just want to see the Grand Canyon and, you know, me go do stuff like that out on the West Coast, just let me know. You guys put in the comments what you think you would most like to watch. And yeah, let's stop all the hate and let's just be constructive here. Not just with me, with anybody else you might be, you know, feeling like you want to comment on. I'm not saying this to defend myself. Honestly, I could give a crap less what people on the internet say to me, but not everybody on the internet has that mentality. You know, you guys could really be hurtful to some people and maybe even push them out of the community or push them out of the hobby that they enjoy. And that's just fucking sad. So, yeah, you guys, you know, just want to have a heart-to-heart a little bit. I'm going to be doing more of these heart-to-heart videos on a different channel I'm kind of working on right now in the background of me just kind of getting my life together. Or getting a few parts of my life together, I should say. It's not like I don't have my life a little bit together, obviously, with the income that I have and the responsibility and the job that I have, but always room for improvement. So just wanted to share that. You guys, drop in the comments. Let me know what you want me to do with the channel, with the car, whatever. We got the flexibility to have fun with this. But frankly, I'm just not going to keep doing it if everybody just wants to take a piss about trivial stuff. It is one of my goals to have a YouTube channel that encourages people, inspires people, that people want to watch. If it's not cars, if I'm not good at making car videos, oh well. I'm going to always enjoy cars. I don't have to enjoy doing videos with them. I can enjoy doing videos on other topics that I'm probably more keen and more apt to focus on anyway. Sorry. I mean, I don't know what's going on today. It's like every person I pass has to be either in my lane or do something stupid around me. This one's a Tahoe, if you can, I don't know if you guys can see them. But yeah, no, thank you guys for hanging in there. I know this is kind of preachy and soapboxy, and that's the last thing that I want to be, but just do better. Everybody in the community, just do better. It's not hard. Be a decent human being. Let's all enjoy this together. See you guys in the next video.